Yes, it's so easy. All right, then, okay, so 8-1, super easy, and then 8-2, super difficult.
Hi, Nicole. She's listening.
I don't think she heard you.
Yes, she did.
The microphone's right here.
Hello, Nicole.
There you go. There you go.
She heard
Shout out to Nicole. All right, so use a calculator. Mine are not charged, but I can check you out one or whatever. We could do that for this semester. Might be nice, and we can use them next semester too. And I think I have plenty to check enough to check out people calculators. All right, I just use a little simple Casio because it's 11 or 12 bucks at Walmart, and so for college kids, this is usually they don't want to buy a $100 calculator for this class because there's no need. All right, so here we go. I'm pretty sure you know how to do this. 4/5 as a percent, right? Numerator by the denominator. I hate doing this. Dude, it's equal to. All right, multiply the quotient by 100, and attach a percent sign. Looks like 80%, right? So 0.822, 80%. Okay. Everybody good with that? I'm assuming everybody's good with that. However, in my remedial class, we have to do this without a calculator, and they freak out. So anyway, 1/8 is 0.125, which is 12.5%. Just make sure you move that decimal place 2 places. Okay. Decimal place. Dr. Pepper. Decimal point. So this is 74.1%. Everybody good? We okay with this? A couple tricky things. Maybe that might, I don't know. If they have extra zeros, that might mess you up.
No.
Go ahead, do the, did you get 2.3%?
Yep.
34.567%? And what you get in the last one?
Oh. That ain't right.
What you get?
530. Yeah,
530%. All right, that is correct. Okay, so that's the one that messes me up. Like when I was in football, I'm playing, and my coach would say, "I want you to give 110%." And I was going, well, coach, I can't really give 110%. I can give you like 30% effort here today. So, anyway, I didn't say that to him. Okay. All right, and then you got the next one. You got the next one, which is basically go back the opposite direction, and we're okay. So this is 0.67. We're just moving the decimal point backwards. We're okay. What you got in this then? 2.5. Okay. So don't mess that up. Nice and easy. Use a calculator if you need one. If you want to buy one for this Casio works just fine. Or we'll check one out as soon as I get mine charged. But it's on my list of things to do. Alright, and then they have this percent formula. A is equal to P times B, percent of B, P percent of B. I never knew there was a formula ever in my life. I just thought you just multiply. I was like, do I need a formula to multiply? I can just multiply. So, anyhow, I have found that people don't calculate their tax rate very well, their sales tax. They go buy something, and then they're surprised. It's like, I thought they said $40. It's like, yeah, but you have to pay tax on the $40, and they mess up. So our tax is about 8.25%. This is actually, ready? Right there. This is on the final.
Cool. This is going to be a great final.
It's easy, right?
Yeah.
But so is quantified.
No.
So that's yeah.
It's okay.
Negating quantified statements.
It's okay.
Ugh. All right. Ready? So 392 times 0.0825 is some number. Is equal to $32.34. Now watch your homework. Watch the the final, watch my test, because there's going to be two parts. How much taxes paid? Well, it's 32, 34. Then what's the total cost? Add that back to 392. So I get $424.34. Not too bad. Piece of cake, right? There is some stuff coming up that's going to help you though in life. Sometimes. All right. Okay. Tax rate. Let's say the tax rate is 6%. And I think when you buy a car, you don't pay local taxes on it. You only pay state taxes, which is the 6% part. So you go and buy a car for $32,800. Did you know that the price of a new car, the median price of a new car, is now over $40,000? It's super expensive. So you guys got to get good jobs. All right. So how much tax did you pay? And 32,800 times 0.06. You paid $1,968. All right. So you think the car is $32,000, and then you go,
Really?
it's not.
1,768.
How much?
34,768.
768. Good job. I don't know why I was using my calculator. Plus the destination fee, plus this fee, plus that fee, plus $20 state fee. I don't know. Okay, so I'm going to show you two ways to do this next one. The way that your homework is going to instruct you how to do it, and then the way that common sense would make you do it as well. All right, so if you want the discount, or not the discounted, how much is the discount? Is you take the original price times the discount rate. So $600 is 10% off. Most people can probably do that in their head. 600 times 0.10 is 60 bucks, right? So the discount amount, that's what your homework's going to ask, the discount amount. Okay, what's the cell phone sale price? Well, that'd be 600 minus 60, $540. If I was to teach this to a regular class, not using Pearson homework, I would just say, if it's 10% off, what percent is it on? 90%. So why can't we just take 600 times 90%?
Because that sounds more complicated.
Really?
Yeah.
Is it? I did multiply one thing.
It sounds more complicated. Maybe it's easier, but it's just the way you word it.
We are pausing.
I know.
Good, thank you. You guys are awesome.
We know.
We know. We know we're so good. All right, so $300, but it's discounted 25%. So 300 times 0.25 is equal to
A number.
what number? What's a fourth of 300?
That's a good question.
$75. Okay, so how much is it? 300 minus 75 is 225. All right, so this next thing is also on the test. Okay. This is also on the final. So if something is decreased in price and we want to know what its percentage decrease is or its percentage increase, just find the amount, okay, and then divide by the original. This is a nice little formula and it works perfectly all the time. So coffee shop increased from $4.50 to $5. So the amount of increase was 50 cents. Divide that by the original amount, which was $4.50. .5 divided by 4.5. 0.11 repeating. So that would equal to 11.1 repeating percent. And I'm pretty sure we can round off just to 11%. I think. I'm not sure. Pretty sure. Not sure. Not 100% sure. Okay? TV is $900. Anybody purchased a new TV lately? The one I want is $1,500. Yeah, I know. And so but I've wanted it for almost 2 years, a year and a half, and it's still sitting at $1,500. And the price hasn't dropped. And so I'm thinking,
As soon as you buy it, it's gonna drop.
I'm not buying it until it drops. My TV's at home. It might not.
It's not gonna.
I know. You think technology?
Like when you buy it, it'll drop
I'm not doing it.
to like.
We're playing chicken right now.
$1,000.
Me and it are playing chicken until it gets down to under 1,000.
He's gonna.
I'm gonna lose, aren't I? Because my TV's messing up at
You're
home.
like 90
I got
years
it.
old.
Yeah. Anyway, I got a cheapy TV at home. It still works. All right. So, what's the amount of decrease from 900 to 630? $270 decrease divided by the original 900. Hmm. 270 divided by 900 is equal to 30%.
That's a lot.
If I would buy it at 630 if it was $900, I think 30% discount on TV is pretty good. Yeah, so the TV I'm watching, I know I am
That
saving.
money?
I have it. I have $1,000 ready to
The year
go.
and a half that you've been wanting this TV, you could have been saving up
Yep.
just spare change for this TV.
But I also want to make sure my internet's strong enough and all that kind of stuff. So it's a dedication. I'm busy teaching. Why are we not in class? I didn't hear him. I think he said my wife said, "Can we get one?" All right. So
Probably. We
Anyway.
have 1 minute.
all right. So here's what we're gonna do. I have to finish this recording. Okay. So it's only one more page. Oh, this is good. No, sit. Can you bring 2 minutes late to next class?
I have your wife. So
Yeah, she'll be fine. All right. Confusion can arise. All right, so this is really good. You paid $1,200 in taxes 1 year. Okay? The next year, your taxes decreased by 20%, and then next year, they went up to 20%. How much did you pay the third year?
Wait.
So,
Hold on.
so add 1,200, decreased 20%, and then went up 20%. What's the third year? $1,200? 1,200 times 20% is $240, right? Okay? So 1,200 minus, this is a decrease, so minus 240 is 960. So that's year 2. Year 1 was 1,200. Year 2 is 960. Now we're going to go up 20%. So 960 times 20 is, what is that? 12, 18, 19, $192. So we're going to go from 960 plus 192 gets me 1,052. Is that right? Or is it 1,152? 1,152. Sorry. So there's year 3.
It's like $50.
Okay. So 20% decrease, 20% increase does not mean you're back at the original, and most people think it is. So that's
I
kind
was
of fun.
thinking if you're decreasing it, then you're
All right,
adding.
all right. So I'm gonna finish this video. Okay, so that's a great little problem right there. It goes against kind of what you think about. So let's say you have $10,000 to invest, and the first year it goes down 30%, and the next year it goes up 40%, and your financial advisor says, "Hey, you made 10% on your investment. Is it time to get a new advisor?" Well, let's think about this. So you have $10,000. And it went down by 30%. So that means you lost $3,000. So 10,000 minus 3,000, 7,000. Okay. The next year, that's $7,000. Went up 40%. So that's equal to 2,800. Okay. So now we have 7,000 plus 2,800 is 9,800. So now you have $9,800. Your advisor said, oh, your advisor said, hey, you made 10%, but you didn't make 10%. Okay? You lost $200 from your $10,000. That's not making money, that's losing money. It is time to get a new advisor. So that's a nice little problem that I kind of love. So, all right, so that's the end of 8.1. We're going to do 8.2 as well. So, on the test. So, chapter 8 has 8 things, so we're going to do 2 each time. And then we'll move on to chapter 9, which is super simple. Okay, that's it.